y'all. Today we're going to talk about Google Sites, which is actually one of the coolest and most useful things that you can do in the Google Suite. So I am here at sites.google.com, and it automatically comes up with a new. Here are my templates, and it showed up. Actually, here's what it looked like when I got here, sites.google.com, and then it makes it /new. I'm going to expand my template gallery, and I'm going to look through my templates, but see, you could do a photo portfolio, a small business, projects, teams, a help center, an event planning, but I think today I'm going to create a class. And using a template is a really good idea if you are a first timer, or you've decided that, I mean, you can change literally everything from a template, but it gives you a place to start. So I'm going to change my image to, let's try, there we go. Yeah, here we go. I want this one. All right, so I changed my title, and it adjusts it for readability, which is actually pretty cool. Okay, then I'm gonna change, this is gonna be level 1, and you can change the font and the size of the font, bold it, underline it, italicize it, like normal stuff. You can link it. There's so many things. And then actually you can, so this is, the Google is centered, but I'm gonna move it, no. Okay, I'm just going to center it the way it is. But you can move it around, which is actually kind of cool. All right, now I want to talk about elements. So there are different layouts here, and there are different elements. So this element right here, the Google Level 1 part, is a header type. So you could, this is a large banner, but you could change it to a smaller banner, a title only, or a cover, which would be the entire page would just say Google Level 1. All right. You can add an overview and pictures. I don't really have more than one picture, so I think I'm going to go with this layout right here. And okay, so here's an element, right? It has the class overview, and then it has 2 pictures, and I want to delete these 2 pictures. So over here, you can change the color. You can duplicate that section so you can make more of them, or you can delete it. So I'm going to delete it because I don't have more pictures. And then here, yellow is really not my thing. So I'm going to change this color to, oh wait, I'm going to change my theme to begin with. So right now it's impression. So I want to do green, maybe blue. Ooh, I like blue. It's pretty. But I might do something a little bit lighter than that. Maybe not quite so intense. So a little less intense. There we go. I like that. That's pretty. Okay, so the darker you get, it may change it to white, which is actually pretty cool. I like that. Okay. I'm going to make this lighter for readability, and that sounds good. You can also change your, okay, so that's cool. I'm going to leave it like that. You can also change your font style. So if you pick one of these themes, it's going to have a font style that it comes with, but you can change it only so much. So right here, I changed this. I think I'm going to actually change the color of my text to black and see what happens. Okay, so there's that, and then I'm going to adjust this again. So there's level 1. It says Google level 1. I kind of like the way that looks. Okay. I don't have a big picture. I don't have an image of my class. But if I did, I would put it here. And then you can do it about yourself. And all of this stuff comes with this template. You can use it or not, depending on what you would like. Okay. Also know that there's collapsible text. So if someone clicks on it, it'll say see more at the end. And if someone clicks on it, then it'll expand. A table of contents. Image carousels are really, really cool if you have basically a slideshow, and then they can click through themselves. You can add a button, a divider. These placeholders, where am I? Here, this is a placeholder. It's just blank. It doesn't say anything. But it spaces out your elements so that they look, there's a placeholder as well, so that they look a little bit less squished together. You can add videos. You can insert a calendar, a map, doc slide sheets, forms, chart, right, from that you made in a sheet. But the next thing I think we're going to do is create a new page. So here's my homepage, and I didn't actually change very much because I'm just showing you how to do it. When we actually make sites in the class, then you will add some things that you have made and that are in your